If you are a creative mind looking for opportunities to earn money at home, you are not alone. Creatives around the world are concerned about the financial implications of the COVID-19 pandemic and the looming recession. Stick here with us while we inform you about other ways to get money before you go sign up for another shift hauling groceries at your local grocery shop. With so many exciting options available, it may be difficult to decide on the best one. You may be able to earn a few extra dollars a month by using some of these money-making ideas, while others will make you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Hi, and welcome back to Fascinating Self. In today's episode, we have compiled a list of ideas you can use to creatively make money from home. We are happy to have you, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any of our content. Without further ado, let's get started. Idea number 1. Set up a Patreon account. Ever wonder if you can make a living from your creative endeavors such as art or music? It is possible that if you have a following of individuals who are interested in the content you produce, they are ready to contribute financially because they are your fans. Patreon is a crowdsourcing site that lets people show their support for their favorite content creators. It's possible for some Patreon creators to earn $200,000 a year from the service. In order to make a lot of money with this business model, you will need to build a large fan base before you begin getting big bucks. You must be 13 years old or older in order to create an account. You must be at least 18 years old or have the consent of a parent or guardian to join a creator's membership as a patron or to supply membership as a creator. Idea number 2. Create and sell online courses. Are you a self-taught programmer with a gift for making complicated procedures understandable? It's something you could teach in an online course. Even if you are an expert at a violin or an acoustic guitar, you might also create an online course on that topic. With Udemy, you do not need a master's degree to develop material and host online courses if you're good at explaining what you're good at. What you can earn depends on a variety of factors, including the cost of the class or the number of students who want to take it each month. When a teacher refers a student, they can make up to 97% of the class fee. Normally, teachers earn 25 to 50% of that. Prices range from $10 to $200 for Udemy classes. There are verified tutors earning more than $1 million a year on average. But typically, you can make between $150 and $1,000 a month. Idea number 3. Sell digital art on Etsy and Instagram. Is your artwork amazing, but you are not sure how to sell it without getting a place in an art show or gallery? If so, you may want to consider selling it online. Thanks to Etsy's simple setup, selling art prints on the site is a breeze. Only a scanner and a little technical know-how are required to turn your artwork into a digital file. It's not simply crafted products that can be sold on Etsy. You can also sell digital assets that can be accessed online. Graphic designers can also profit by selling digital prints and illustrations. You might provide multiple formats, such as wall posters that can be printed, or a selection of lovely cards that people may give to their loved ones. Instagram is also an excellent place to sell your digital art using Shopify. As the number of people engaging with and following your Instagram feed grows, so does your sales potential. Hey, fascinating people. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment "I subscribe" so that everyone can see who's the most fascinating action taker here. Idea number 4. Complete online surveys. Surveys are one of the simplest methods to generate money online. Signing up, creating a profile, and providing feedback on advertisements, goods, and services are the only requirements. Is there a lot of money to be made, and how much labor is involved? Well, even if you can't make a full-time income by taking online surveys, they can still help you earn some extra money in your leisure time. Swagbucks is a well-known site where you can take surveys for money. Swagbuck points can be exchanged for cash or gift cards as you complete surveys. Swagbucks points can also be earned by doing things like playing games, searching the web, and viewing videos on the internet. For each survey, you may expect to earn between 40 and 200 Swagbucks. A survey costs between 40 cents and $2. However, it is possible to earn up to $50 for each survey on rare occasions. Idea number 5. Transcribe by the hour. Not everyone is cut out for working from home, whether it's handling customers or making a slew of sales calls. As someone who works from home, wouldn't it be nice to have a job that requires no prior experience and doesn't require you to be constantly on the phone? Consider becoming a transcriptionist if that sounds like a better fit for you. Working from home and earning a living are two of the many benefits of this gig. Transcription is the process of translating an audio or video file into a written document. Excellent mastery of the target language as well as great listening skills is required for this job. Transcriptionists capture podcasts, interviews, programs, lectures, and more in the form of written transcripts for future reference. Transcriptionists may expect to make on average $16.33 per hour, according to PayScale. Inexperienced online transcriptionists can expect to make $10 an hour, but as they develop experience and specialize in higher paying fields, they can earn up to $25 an hour. Idea number 6. Be an online gamer. Getting paid to play video games can be a terrific way to relax. There is a wide variety of topics covered in online games, including current events, trivial knowledge, music, sports, and more. What if I told you that playing online games may also help you make money as well? Yep, you heard it right. The number of people playing video games has skyrocketed in recent years as a result of the proliferation of platforms and the launch of high-quality games. There are a variety of factors that influence how much money you can make from playing video games, including the games you play, what content you create, which platforms you utilize, and how much time you devote. It has been reported that players can make anything from $20 an hour to $200 an hour by playing games, but there is no way to average this out. Participating in activities like game tournaments, which sometimes provide monetary prizes and other incentives, might improve these revenues. The prize money for a game competition might be as high as thousands of dollars. The most popular game apps to try are Mistplay and Blitz. Idea number 7. Write ebooks. You can position yourself as an industry-leading communicator with the help of ebooks. An ebook can help you grow your audience, enhance your brand, and make money by selling them online. The first step in writing an ebook is to browse the Amazon Kindle section and select a category that interests you. Next, take a look at the marketplace, competition, revenues, and other important factors. If it meets the standards for writing ebooks, then move on to writing. To maximize profits, look for a niche with little competition and high sales volume. If you are a bookworm, this is a great option. Creating an ebook would be a lot of fun for you because it helps you remember your thoughts and knowledge as well as your abilities. Amazon and other e-commerce sites, on the other hand, make it possible to make money by selling an ebook. Consequently, keep in mind that your work is only worthwhile if it can be of use to others or is interesting enough to read. A royalty of 70% is paid out for every book you sell through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. If your book costs $10, you will make $7 on each transaction. Idea number 8. Start a podcast. If you're afraid of being in front of the camera but have a good sense of humor, podcasting can be a terrific option for you. A podcast can be a pastime, a side hustle, a business, or anything else you might imagine. You might well be surprised to learn that podcasting can bring in a substantial income if done correctly. If you want to turn your podcast into a business, it's not that difficult to get started. Since the product is already in your possession, all that is left is for you to put it to good use. Your podcasting brand will benefit you in the long term, regardless of whether or not you monetize your podcast. There are several ways to generate money from podcasting if you have a large enough audience. Podcasters with a smaller audience must first expand their reach in order to acquire sponsors. As long as you put in the time and effort, this will come about naturally through effective marketing and branding. Podcasts can also be used to sell your merchandise. Idea number 9. Freelance your skills. Freelancing will become more commonplace as technology gets better. As a result, there is a vast range of talent, expertise, and employment opportunities. It is more common for people to need technical skills before they can use their creative abilities. To get the most out of networking, you may want to join trade or industry organizations where you can meet others who share your interests. Alternatively, you can rely on recommendations from friends, family, and co-workers. Social networking on LinkedIn, on the other hand, is far more convenient. Reaching potential business contacts can be done by joining groups, making relationships, and posting material on their site. You can also look for freelance opportunities on social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter. Do not overlook the many freelancing job websites available. For general freelance work, Upwork, FlexJobs, Freelancer, and Fiverr thrive. Recent research by Upwork shows that web programming, 43%, web design, 31%, and social media marketing, 25%, are the skills that are in the highest demand right now. Idea number 10. Affiliate marketing. It's possible to make money from your purchases if you are a frequent shopper with excellent taste. Join affiliate programs like to Know It, Amazon Associates, and Solvit Affiliate, or the eBay Partner Network, to earn money from your website's traffic and sales. You get a cut of every sale made as a result of a link you shared. Share these links with your friends and family via social media, your website, your Patreon page, or your podcast. In conclusion, it is undeniable that working from home has its perks. Working from home, on the other hand, comes with a plethora of distractions because you are in your comfort zone. Make sure to click on the link on your screen to watch our video on pillars to financial success. That's it for today's discussion. Till next time, take care.